Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first official wig review and wig install. If you would like to see how I install this beauty, stay tuned.
Plus anyway, I'm used to being solo, but it was good when you came to me. You were the one to make me believe that life could be better, that we can get back together. Come sit down, let's celebrate.
This unit is brought to you by So Good Hair, and they specialize in various hair types, hair textures, and styles. This unit comes in somewhat of a beach wavy curly texture. It is in the color of 1B, and as you can see, it has baby hair surrounding the frontal of the lace. The lace color is in a light brown. It is 100% human hair without chemical processing.
Let's take a drive. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song, pretty, pretty. There ain't nothing going wrong.
On the inside, you see you have the lace front. You have your 3 combs at the top. It looks like it actually has the fake scalp on the inside, so I actually did not need my wig cap. I just put my wig cap on because that's what I'm used to doing. But you see that you have the 3 combs.
Everybody's looking at me. Can't relate to what I've been through. So baby, I'm glad I found you. You make me smile. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. Can't relate to where I'm going, but I can take you anywhere you wanna go. You make me laugh. You like good food. You're from that place. You're from my place. We be eating hamburgers and fries. Watching movies all night. We ain't riding on 22s. We saving our money. We saving our money. And we be eating ice cream and cake. We going through life like it's our birthday. Riding on 22s.
All right, let's put her on and see what we have.
Relate to where I'm going. I can take you anywhere. I can take you anywhere. So call me back. They know you and me now.
Okay, yes ma'am.
They know you like my family. They know you better be at this party. They know meet my family. Come on, I can take you anywhere. So come.
So now I'm going to go in and start cutting around the perimeter of the front of my unit. I'm going to use my clips to secure the unit to my head while I am cutting. So let's just start snipping. Be careful not to cut your skin or the hair that is underneath.
Look at my baby, always happy. I'll never change, no way, no way. You are the same. From the day that I knew that I could love you, when I saw your face, my life was changed. You rule the world, diamonds just can't capture you, girl. No way, no way. You are the same. From the day
This unit gives you a very effortless look. It looks like you just woke up gorgeous and fierce, like you were ready to just take over. You know? Anybody agree?
Crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse hat, she wears Celine. And her hand has rocks, stay shining, shining, shining clean.
This unit actually allows for you to go glueless. However, you will see later on in the video that I do add some glue for the sake of the video. However, you can walk out the door just like this. Their units are also very affordable. I added a discount code to the description box to also help you to save even more. You can thank me later.
Gives way. can change you the world. Stylish, classic, my favorite girl. Okay, okay, I found a way. From the day that I knew that I would love you, I am your slave. I will never run away. There's a girl out a magazine. Everybody I know, they crying, 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 queen. Everywhere she goes, people look.
And now I'm going to be applying my trusty Got to Be glue. This is perfect for wig installs, as well as if you're trying to slick down those edges. After applying your Got to Be glue, you want to make sure that it's nice and tacky. So to do that, you want to put your dryer on that cold or cool setting to make sure that it is almost dry but not too dry. And then you're going to slide your unit down and apply it.
She be raining, 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 she be raining. There's a girl out a magazine. Everybody I know, they crying, 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 queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. Black purse, hat, she wears Celine. And her hand has rocks, they shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She reigns, my queen. If I had a chance to get it right, I would do it all again. I'd put up a fight, 'cause you're worth everything that I didn't do. You're worth everything.
Now I'm going in with my foam wrapping lotion just to make sure that my hair is tanged just a bit.
Wish I would have had the sense to always be around. Instead of giving you what I had left, I should have made your top priority, nothing less. Every time you spoke, I should have listened. And when you needed me most, I should not have went missing. I probably could have spent more time, and gave you more loving. I should have read your mind and did more kissing and hugging. If I had a chance to get it.
I wanted to make sure that the lace in the front was not showing as much. So I'm just going in and just doing a bit of a touch up over that lace to cover it up with some makeup. So you can just go around the perimeter just a bit, just to cover the lace that is in the front of your hair. And just wipe off any extra or excess makeup as you go along. All right, so I think she is ready. And these are the final results. Okay, girl.
Everything that I didn't do. You're worth everything that I didn't do. I wish I would've knew then what I know now. I wish I would've had the sense to always be around. Instead of giving you what I had left, I should've made your top priority, nothing less. Every time you spoke, I should have listened. And when you needed me most, I should not have went missing. I probably could have spent more time, and gave you more loving. I should have read your mind and did more kissing and hugging. If I had a chance to get it right, I would do it, I would do it all again.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and until next time, bye-bye.